Oh, this one. What number is this?
The flashcard daw.
Tama daw ako mag-drawing eh.
One.
So, number one. Yes, very good.
One.
Hindi naman nakikita yung...
Oh, this one. What's this one?
Oh, that one.
What's that? Two.
Dito ka. Naka.
Look.
Two.
Narinig mo ito.
Win! Ay, wala na.
Aha.
Yes!
Oh, what's this
Two.
one? Number is this?
Look. Three.
Three. Winning.
Look.
Three.
Wait. Three.
Ayos
This
ka
one.
naman.
Oh, that one daw. Oh, what number is that?
Look. Four.
Number four. Very good.
Right. Four. Right.
How about this one? How about this one, baby? What number is this?
What number is that?
Look. Five.
Five.
It's a number five. Very good. Oh, how about this one?
Oh, that one.
Sumama na lang ako.
Number.
Oh, what number is that?
Six.
Six.
Ay,
Galing.
the number six. Ang galing ah. Naalala na ah. Oh. What about this
Oh,
one?
that one. It's a number.
Nine.
No. No.
No, it's not nine.
Look. A seven.
A seven. Very good.
Seven. Very good.
Seven.
Seven. Oh, how about this one?
What number is that?
Eight.
It's a number.
Eight. Very good. Number eight. Oh, this one.
Malikot.
Number is this?
Number six.
Oh, what number is that?
Nine.
Nine.
So nine. Very good. Oh, last one. What number is this?
Number six.
Oh, what number is that?
Look. Ten.
Ten.
Number
Right.
10.
Basta kasama ko siya. Ang
Alam mo kaya lahat ng characters ng pinanonood mo?
Oo.
lang siya.
Mickey Mouse.
Kaya kung ba man
Yung ano.
McQueen, who's this?
Queen, sino yan?
Queen, who's this?
Look. It's Rulo Mickey. And it's Rulo.
Press ko talaga.
Ito po.
Linis po.
Sino ka daw?
Goofy. A
No, it's not
Goofy.
Luca.
Ano? This is not Goofy. Goofy daw.
Aso rin kasi.
Pluto, diba?
Hi, Goofy. Goofy po. No.
It's Pluto.
Saan who's this?
Si Pluto yan.
Pluto.
What's that? Look. A Mickey.
It's Mickey.
Mickey.
Oh,
Ay, lumalayo kasi si Mako. Hindi ko mabidyo.
Look. A Donald.
It's Donald.
How to score her
What's
mark.
that?
oh, who is this? Oh,
That one.
Lasting fragrance.
Look,
It's... What's that?
a Foofy.
Goofy.
Marang ka naman pa eh.
Goofy.
Pa, narangan may computer.
With choices to fit your lifestyle.
What's this one? Who's this?
Look, a Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Right, a Minnie Mouse.
Like Sister Cynthia
Right.
on Facebook.
Look, a Minnie. And a Minnie Mouse. Look,
King. Oh, meron dito. Oh, dito na ito. What's this one? A shape stick.
and a second. And a second.
Ano?
A second. A second.
Let's not go.
Second.
Yung sino-shortcut mo.
Ulit. Huwag kasi sigaw. Ulit.
Okay, alam mo kaya ito, nak? What's this one? Shape is this?
Look, a circle.
No, it's not circle. It's oval.
A circle.
No, it's oval.
An oval. It's an oval.
Oblong. Sa oblong.
Oblong.
This one?
That one.
What's that?
Oh, what shape is that?
Look, a diamond.
What color?
Red.
No, it's not red.
Look, blue.
Blue. Yes, it's blue.
A red. A diamond.
Blue diamond. Oh, that one.
What's this one?
Purple.
Oh, what shape?
Look, a
A
triangle.
triangle.
Wait, it's a triangle.
What color?
Purple.
Purple.
Wait, it's a triangle. It's a purple.
How about this one?
Oh, that one.
What's that? Actually, orange.
Oh, orange. What shape?
Red.
What shape?
A heart.
A heart.
Rumble na. How about this one?
Wow. What's that?
Orange.
No, that's not orange.
Mukha namang orange din.
Sopas. So much.
Wait, what's
Oh,
this?
Kain tayo mamaya, kuya. Kain tayo mamaya. Hindi pa.
A star.
Kagising ko pa ng
Ano?
alas 10 eh.
A star shape. This is an orange
it's
star.
not orange, yellow. Star is yellow.
Orange
And
eh.
a star. Right.
A yellow star.
Oh, this one.
What's it? What shape?
Oh, what shape is that?
Look, a circle.
That one is the circle. What color?
Red.
No, it's not red.
Look,
Pink.
a pink. Right, and a yellow pink. And then red with a circle. This is shapes. It's a circle.
It's a
How
circle.
about this one?
Huh?
Actually,
What that one?
wait.
Wait pa?
What's that?
Oh, what's that?
Look, a square.
A square.
Right, a square.
What
What
color?
color is this?
What's that?
Oh, what color?
Black.
No, it's not black.
Colorblind ka talaga, Pakwin.
Hindi.
Black.
Parang color black
Square.
dito.
Right, a square.
Oh, what color? Pink, pink.
Red.
No, it's not red. Oh, what color? Color. Dali. Isip, isip.
Nahirapan na.
Square. Alright, a square.
Yes, it's square.
What color?
What
May
color?
yung ano, kulay eh. Iba yung kulay na nire-register dyan eh. Okay, this one na lang.
Oh, yeah, that
This one.
What's that? What shape is that?
A rectangle.
A rectangle.
Alright, a rectangle.
Yes. What color?
Oh, what color is this?
Blue.
Blue.
Right, what the color? Blue. The rectangle.
Ano, what's this one?
McQueen, that one. What's that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What color is ice cream?
Orange.
No, it's not orange.
What's that?
Brown.
A brown. It's a brown.
How about this one? What's this?
Oh, what's that?
A blue.